One of our top picks in London, located in the heart of London's Docklands, this Holiday Inn Express is a 7-minute walk from the ExCel and a 1.8 kilometers from London City Airport. High-speed free Wi-Fi is accessible throughout, and there are meeting facilities on site. Holiday Inn Express London, ExCel offers a selection of different room types, all en suite with a shower and ironing facilities. Each room has air conditioning to ensure guests' comfort, as well as a flat-screen TV. An express start breakfast with 4 hot dishes is included in the room rate. The property has its own bar and terrace serving a wide variety of food. Sky Sports Live telecast for guest entertainment. Other eateries are located within a 15-minute walk. Royal Albert DLR station is 150 meters from the property, offering links to central London and Canary Wharf. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.